Do you think central bank digital currencies have a future? And what is the future of Bitcoin living alongside potential central bank digital currencies?
I wrote about software as money as software in the mobile wave in 2012. You could see it coming. Today, you see Apple Pay, PayPal, Square Cash, Alipay. Big tech companies are moving money around. It's clear that governments are going to, at some point, grapple with it. I listened to the same interview. What I heard Christine Lagarde say was, we'll make a decision in January, February, and if we do something, it's 2 to 4 years. And so we're talking 4 years out for the EU. And I heard Jay Powell say, we got to study it and make sure we get it right. And that felt to me like more than 4 years. So my view is everybody knows that digital technology matters and they know they can't ignore it. The governments, aren't going to move as fast as the big tech companies. China is going to move fastest. Big tech will move second fast. The governments will be 5 to 10 years out. And I wouldn't be holding my breath in the next 36 months. Now, how it relates to Bitcoin? Bitcoin's not a currency. It's not a payment network, right? Currency is the province of the government, always has been, always will be. The IRS sets the tax code for currency. You can't use Bitcoin as a currency because the tax code is hostile to it. It would generate 100,000 accounting entries and tax obligations for no reason whatsoever. And so there's no point in Bitcoin being thought of that. Bitcoin is not a payment network. Apple Pay and Square Cash and PayPal and Alipay are payment networks. They work well. They work 1 billion times better than Bitcoin or any crypto will ever work. So crypto is inappropriate as a currency, even though people call it cryptocurrency. It's a wrong choice of words. We should move it out of the lexicon. We should refer to it as crypto asset. Crypto is an awesome technology for creating a scarce asset as a store of value. The $250 trillion problem is store my value. I just want to put my money in a piggy bank in cyberspace and have nobody take it. It's a very simple idea. Then if I want to spend money, I'm going to convert 5% of it to Apple Pay or Square Cash or PayPal or Alipay. And I'm going to move it around in fiat currency on those rails in a responsible, legal, efficient, fun fashion. And let the governments be the governments. Let the big tech companies do what they do best. And Bitcoin is going to solve this last very simple issue, which is I just need pharmaceutical grade, synthetic, safe haven asset, synthetic gold with none of the hangover of gold, none of the bad problems, none of the problems with mining and hypothecation and centralization and corruption, but all of the good parts of it. Like I put my money in there and a decade from now, I've still got it and it hasn't been inflated away.
All investments are subject to risk, including the possible loss of the money you invest. For more information about SkyBridge Multi-Advisor Hedge Fund Portfolios Series G and the SkyBridge G2 Fund, call 1-888-759-2730 to obtain a prospectus. Investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other important information about a fund are contained in the prospectus. Read and consider it carefully before investing. This webcast is for educational purposes only. We recommend that you consult a professional advisor about your individual situation.